Okay, so this is the Chapter 11 Quiz Review Harder Problems. I'm going to do the 1B and the problem number 6 on the back, okay? So 1A, we already did this. This is 36 root 3 inches squared. And no one had a problem with this. Just plug in these numbers in the formula. And now you have to find the side of an equilateral triangle whose area is equal to the area of the trapezoid. So I'm going to do this in two ways, and you pick whichever you feel like is more comfortable for you. The first way, either way, here is an equilateral triangle, and area of this triangle is 36 root 3, right? And you have to find out this side, which is same as this and this, but we have to find out this length, right? And there is a relationship between this length and this length for equilateral triangle, because you remember this is a special right triangle. This is 60 and this is 30. So this is 1 to root 3 to 2 relationship. So if I call this a x length, then this should be x root 3, right? I don't know if you can see. This is x root 3. This is, if this is 1, this is root 3. So if this is x, this should be x root 3. Now, area of this equilateral triangle is the half the base times height, right? Because the equation is 1/2 of the base times height. So half the base times height will give you this. So you have x squared root 3 is 36 root 3. And root 3 cancels. You can divide both sides by root 3. You have x squared is 36. So x is 6. It's a length, so you don't have to worry about -6. Since x is the half the base, 2x is 12, and 12 inches is the side. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Most people probably prefer this way, but this is the method when you know how to solve this problem and you see it after the fact. If you didn't remember how to solve this problem, you have to do it from the formula. This is how you do it. You know the 36 root 3 is 1/2 of base times height, right? So this is the area, and that's the area formula. And you want to find out the base, and you don't know the height. So you want to express height in terms of b, so you can replace h with b. So you have one equation with one variables. So if you look at the triangle, if this is the base, half the base is b over 2, right? Half the base is b over 2. And this length is root 3 times the short leg, right? So this length should be b times root 3 over 2. And that's height. Okay, so you can replace this into h. So this is 1/2 of b times b root 3 over 2. So you simplify this. The denominator you have 2, so you get 4. And the numerator you have 2b's, that's b squared, and 1 root 3 root 3. Okay, and this equals 36 root 3. Okay, so you want to isolate b, because we are trying to solve for b. So b squared equal to divide by root 3 over 4, you multiply by 4 over root 3, right? So you do 36 root 3 times root 3 over 4, and root 3 cancels, and 36 times 4 is 144, so b is 12. Okay, and this way we started with the side is the variable we are solving, so we don't have to double it. This way we started with the half of the base as a variable. You have to remember to double it. Either way, you get the same answer.